I'm Carrie Boucher, and I'm the founder and director of NOMADstudio. I'm a visual artist by training and passion, and I saw that funding was being cut for kids' art programs in schools, and I also saw division and people without a sense of belonging, and I knew that you can create a strong sense of community around art and creativity. That's how I found my way to the Nomad Art Bus. Most of the children we work with are in some system or environment of injustice and dehumanization, whether it is the juvenile justice system, the foster care systems. They might live in a neighborhood that has not been invested in by the cities or the counties. And we go into those spaces and we make sure that the children have a sense of belonging, a sense of community, and a sense that people value what they have to say.
So one of the really cool things about working with the kids through NOMAD is that they keep showing up. Nobody has to sign them up. Their parents aren't telling them to come. They are riding their bikes, they're walking, and they're managing their time and know that this is the time to come do art and be creative. The focus is not generally on art. I feel like we are really good at building relationships and creating spaces for creative freedom to happen. A lot of organizations are operating from outside and come in and think that they're providing the thing that the community needs without listening. Because we are in the community and we are members of the community, we're able to have access to what is it that people need and what do we want.
The fact that NOMAD has allowed our young people to have a voice through art in expressing themselves is extremely powerful. They've found creative ways to bring art into communities right where people live. So parents who would not ordinarily be able to take their kids somewhere, the kids could just experience art right in the community where they're living.
NOMADstudio is one of the anchor programs that we do here at the center. During that time, the youth are able to express themselves through artwork and maybe give us an insight onto what's really going on with them through their art. I think the art program gives them hope to go on and continue to do other things outside of detention. Kids reach out to them when they actually leave, and they're still encouraged to do better.
I see them as my family. They helped me get a job. They helped me get a car. They had helped me to get out of incarcerated. They had to write a letter to my judge just to help me so I could go back into the community. They help kids. Like, it's a non-profit organization. They really help kids. I don't know where I would be without them.
It's freeing to see students being students. Although they're in this facility where they're locked up and their privileges are taken away from them, they have this space where they are able to relax a little. It's great seeing kids get to be kids in an environment that doesn't allow that.
I think that we're going to continue to grow by strengthening our community partnerships and hopefully gaining some of the resources that we need to keep this whole thing going.
We exist to create just and caring and communal environments, and we do it by using art as a tool. Creativity is a human right, and we want to make sure that everybody's able to practice it.